Right, here we are in Chinatown. It's a Shanghai mansion. Okay, let's get this started.
ขนมไหมคะให้กระเป๋า
So they, the minute I walk in, I start feeling hungry. I had to look for my bonnier. Oh, it is packed. That's a lot of people. It is a pretty tight walking area. So hold on tight. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a side road or something like that. This is it's just not really. It's a nice place to visit, but for myself, it's not really my thing. This is it's really pretty crowded. If you like big crowd and you know what I mean, see a lot of food and being in Chinatown, Bangkok, this is it for you. Oh, that's a long line. That place seems a little famous. Yeah, let me go see. I'm gonna show you the real view of what it's like to walk through here. Here we go. Yeah, this area is not too bad. Baht. Yeah, right. Oh, let's get some coconut ice cream. เท่าไหร่60 บาท Okay. Oh, in a little coconut. Like 60 บาท. Roughly about $2 almost. Yeah, $2. Wow, a lot of people. So in between, like behind all these people, there's actually food stall right behind. There's actually food back there. If you could make it, like back there somewhere. There you go. There's some smoked salmon. Oh. Here it is, you guys. Chinatown, Chinatown. Yavalat, I think that's what they call it. Okay. Woo. This is a real life experience. Some of those YouTubers are very good at editing. But this is the real thing right here. Oh.
Sorry.
All right, so that's the main road. I'm not sure where I'm going, but I'm gonna go somewhere where there's a little bit less people. Okay, what's on here? Oh.
Hello, is that okay now?
Grilled fish there. Sometimes I wonder, like, why do I even tell you guys what it is when I'm pointing the camera right at it, right?
Oh, is that them?
Yeah, that's some. But I think we should buy something.
You order?
Yeah, order already.
Okay.
Is there any way to sit?
Oh, you can sit this one, okay?
That one okay? Okay. I'm going to get a table wait for you. Okay. Excuse me, okay? Okay. ไปน้ำกัน โอเค ขอบคุณเด้อขอบใจหลายๆ Yeah, it's really packed. It's packed. If you are like comfortable with being packed and stuff, it's actually pretty fun. And everybody, oh, so you got a sauce?
Yeah, on your
Oh, okay. You pay already?
Yes.
Oh, you pay for water?
No.
Okay, water. Pay her enough for the water.
How much is it?
Oh, what she say?
I need that.
10 baht. There's a car squeezing through here. All he have to do is get through the crowd of people to get to that main road, but he's gonna have to move an inch at a time. Well, this is a side road. They don't have that many people compared to the main road, but it's still a lot of people. Let's see. What's in here มีอะไรที่มีมะม่วงไหม
มีค่ะมะม่วงแล้วก็เจล
ตัวที่ไม่มีมะม่วง
ไม่อันนี้ไม่มีค่ะอันนี้มีค่ะ
ตัวไม่มีตัวอะไรครับ
อันนี้ไม่มีมะม่วงนะคะ
ไม่มีเหรอ
แค่มะม่วงแต่มีอันนี้สีเหลือง
โอเคเอาตัวนี้คือไม่กินมะม่วงไม่ได้โอเค
ค่ะเอาอันนี้
โอเคเอาร้านเดียวกันไหมทางในทางใน
ใช่ค่ะร้านนี้
โอเคเขานั่งอย่างนี้เช็ค กินมะม่วงไม่ได้โอเคเพราะเป็นตุ่มเป็น I don't know how to say I'm not allergic to it but my partner is allergic to mango so I love mango She's speaking a different language. She mentioned it, but I couldn't really. I don't know if she say Burma. I'm not sure. Thank you. Okay, one more spoon. Okay. ห้าก็เดี๋ยว It's just right, not too sweet. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Alright, follow on my shirt.
They know my.
Oh, this side don't have that many people. Forget what I said about earlier about having a hard time walking. There's a lot of people. Because on the opposite side of it, there's not too many people. Now I'm curious, is there something wrong with this side and nobody's over here? What you craving for? You want to grab something to go? You want to get some seafood?
No, I think what you had originally said earlier.
Okay. I think
อันเหมาะมาซาดค่ะวันเอาเวอร์ทัวร์เล่นบาทมาดามมาซาดวันเอาเวอร์ทัวร์เล่นบาท
1 hour 200 baht. That's actually a good. That's actually a good deal. Over here though, they got this block 50 baht for tabakong.
That's good too.
Yeah.
Oh, we can get it here.
And it goes straight to. Oh, go straight to.
Yeah, pork
Broiled pork.
Charcoal boil.
Want to get here or?
Yeah, we get it here then.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
เข้าใจภาษาลาวอยู่เหรอเข้าใจภาษาลาวอยู่เหรอเข้าใจปะ
ภาษาลาว
อ่ะฮะ
ใช่
โอเคเอา
คนลาวอ่ะ
ก็แล้วเอาฮะตำบักหุ่ง กับข้าวเหนียว2 you want this too
หมูย่าง
เมื่อหมูย่าง
กินเลย
บ่สิเอาไป
ใส่ถุง
สุด
ก็หมูย่างกับหมูปลาเป็นเนื้อสอง
โอเค
เอาเผ็ดบ่
ฮะโอเคเป็น
ใครละจ้า
ฮะคนลาวคนลาวมาจากอเมริกา
โอ้คุณรามจ้า
ขอวิดีโอต่ำเลยเนอะ
จ้า
ครับgetting so yeah I'm getting my fruit here and I'm gonna cash it out and I'm out for the night well I think I just cleared the whole thing but yeah that's it for the night